Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can block a number or a contact on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we can do is go to the phone app, and now if you have this phone number saved in your contacts, then you can select the contact, and then over here instead of unblock numbers, so let me actually unblock this one, you will have block numbers option. So if you want to block the number selected, then you need to confirm that you want to block it, and you can also additionally report this number as a spam. If you don't want to do that, then you can of course untick this box and then confirm. And this is how we can block a contact. If you want to block a number, then instead, if you for instance have this number in recent, then you can still go to the contact, I believe, but just to make sure, you can also tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, go to settings, and then over here you need to go to block numbers, and here you have the option to add a number. If you tap over here, then you can enter the number and then press block, and there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.